Here I have a BMW that has a head gasket leaking oil from this side. So I'm going to end up taking the intake manifold out, exhaust manifold, valve cover gasket, of course all the front stuff, and the radiator fan in the radiator comes out. So far as taking the box out, wanted to see how easy it is just to take the intake manifold out instead of separating all the wires, because that can get lengthy. So from what I can tell, there are some bolts there. We can access them from here. I will use some swivels and get those bolts out. I will have to remove, of course, the hose, all the lines here, and drain out the coolant first. First thing first, drain the coolant, get the battery disconnected, and get this thing taken out. So I just got